Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the text color in your Canva Docs on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to change the text color in your Canva Docs on your computer, I just going to show. So it's simple. First of all, you just need to select the text. For an example, I just need to select the first text. I just need to change this color to a blue color. You can just choose the text first, then just click on the text color. In the top you can find here, this is the text color. Click on this and you will have a pop-up on the side. Here you can just choose the color. So I just choose blue color, so it's changed to blue. So if I just need to change the text color, so you can just choose red, it changes to red. And here to Canva it might be a yellow, and dogs it might be a violet color. So this is how we just change the color. And if you just need to change the color of the to different colors, you can just choose the color first, choose the text first, then just click on this color wheel. So here you can just have a lot of variety of colors. You can just choose from the variety of colors from the lighter to darker. So you can just choose the color, or you can just also have a pick color option. You can just click on this and you can just pick the color wherever you just needed, like yellow. You can just change it directly, or you can just use the code to change the color. So these are the options to change the color. Then this is how you just change the color on your Canva Docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.